right? This 6 divided by 6 is gonna be 1, right? Then this 6 divided by 6 is 1. At the end, 1 divided by 1 is 1. If your answer is 1, you are wrong. Why? According to the order of operations, when you have more than one division in one equation, you need to start your work from left and go to the right. So start with the left one, this one. 6 divided by 6 is gonna be 1, right? Then divided by this 6 divided by this 6. Again, left one. 1 divided by 6 can be written in the form of 1 over 6, right? Divided by 6. 6 can be written in the form of 6 over 1. What do we have here? Division of two fractions. To solve this, we need to follow KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and lastly, F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, I rewrite it here, 1 over 6. Change division to multiplication. And lastly, flip the second fraction. 6 over 1 is going to be 1 over 6. So your answer is going to be 1 times 1, 1, 6 times 6, 36.